it's really important to understand where your files are. And so if you're saving your work to your Google Drive, they're not actually on your computer, they're in the cloud. And so files that sit on your desktop or files that sit in your downloads folders are on your actual computer, and it can't be seen by anybody else. So let's see how we can get some folders, some images from the computer to Google Drive. So what I'm going to open up is my Finder. Got some recent documents here, so I'm going to browse down. So I've got some coin pictures here. I'm going to drag this. So I've selected this dollar coin picture. I want to use that, and I can drag it across into the appropriate folder. So this is going into my Term 1 folder. And you can see how the screen's gone blue. I'm just going to let go, and it's going to upload that particular item. And there it is now, my dollar coin. Let's do that again. You can do that for multiples. So I'm going to use the $2 coin, and I'm going to, let's do a shift. I'm going to do all of those all in one go. So I've selected all of those. Again, I just drag them across and let go, and they will upload over time. And so you can see now that my 7 uploads have been complete. And now that this is on my on my Google Drive, I can now share these with other people around me, and they can be used from multiple points. But if it sits on your computer, nobody can see it. So make sure you upload content that you want others to see to your Google Drive, and then organize them accordingly.